Here we are in a Google Gemini 1.0 Pro account. You can access the 1.0 Ultra, Gemini Advanced up top. It's $19.99 a month right now, or you can try it for 2 months for free. But for a couple reasons, we're going to stick to the 1.0 Pro version for this video, and we can get into the Advanced later on. Here in settings, you have your dark and light theme option, your real-time response option. I'm going to leave this one on. It is on by default. And then up top you do have your extensions option. I really want to explore the extensions together because they are a really important part of Google Gemini. And in a business account, one that you would pay for, it still says coming soon right next to the extensions. They're simply not there. So that is one of the reasons we are filming it in the 1.0 Pro version, because I do want to explore those extensions together. So I'm actually going to click on extensions so that we can go into each one and see what they're all about. So I'm going to go ahead and click on extensions, and that way you can see that you have yours the way that you like. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and here you can see I have the top 3 turned off. They are toggled over into the gray. Using these are really just about using the @ symbol, and then it pops up. Here you can see what each extension does, the connections. I want to make sure that I have my Google Workspace and YouTube turned on. With Workspace, I can locate information, sum up a doc, and have it broke down for me. With YouTube, I can actually insert a YouTube link and it will sum up that video. These are all available in the 1.0 Pro version. Now that we've explored extensions, let's write our first prompt.